In many cases, features and operation parameters are tied to the stock definition. Changes to the stock can affect how these features are defined and toolpaths generated. In CAMWorks 2021, we are now given a warning message informing us of the items that will need to be updated after editing the stock of the part. On this part, I will edit the stock definition to change the stock to be based on another SOLIDWORKS configuration of this same part. As soon as I click the green check, a warning message appears. Here I can see what features and operations are needing to be rebuilt. Also included on this list is the fixture coordinate system and any setups that might also be affected. If I click Yes to this window, the items displayed are promptly rebuilt. If I click No, the unrebuilt items in the tree are flagged and can be rebuilt later by right-clicking and selecting what's wrong. In the error message box, I can click on the Generate Tool Path button. If I need to rebuild the CAM data on this part, I can click on the Rebuild icon from the CAMWorks pull-down menu. I can control the display of this warning message by going to the CAMWorks options, going to the Update tab, and unchecking the On Stock Parameters Modifications MIL checkbox under the Prompt on Rebuild section.